Again, Sakinur here, and today I am gonna show you how you can change the card icon of your Shopify Dawn theme, and this is completely free and you can do this under 5 minutes. So the first step, you need to go to the dashboard, then themes, and come here, then click on the 3 dots and edit code, and then search here icon card, and you can see these two files, icon card empty, icon card. So icon card empty, this icon will show when your cart has no item, and this icon will show when your cart has any item. So if I refresh now, you can see the default icon is showing. So I would like to use an icons from this website. You can go Hugeicons Pro. I will attach the link in the description. They have free SVG icons, and this is the most modern icons. You can also purchase their premium icons for lifetime. It will charge you around $40. I will give the discounted link in the description. So this will be for lifetime, and you can browse a lots of or use a lots of icons. So that's not our topic. So let's start with the free icons. So these are free, and you want to use these icons. So just click on these and copy the SVG. You can also change the color from here, but don't change any color. Just copy the SVG and come here, icon card, and give space here. Paste the SVG we just copy, and copy this class and put it here, and then check for fill inside path. So if I scroll here, you can see stroke is already current color. All right, so fill none color. So here color you can see black, so we can put this current color and remove the previous one. Now if I refresh, it's not showing because this is the cart is empty. But if I put something to the cart, it should be shown. You can see the cart icon is showing, but it's too big. I will fix this. Okay, let's add the icon for the empty card as well. So copy the class name, add it here, and this should be current color, and save it. Now if I refresh, you can see the cart icon is showing even if I remove the items. That's perfect. Now it's need to resize the cart icon. So I will share this CSS code in the description. Icon 30 pixels, height 30 pixels. So it's changing others icon as well, so I have to do something. Yes, we can. So now it will just change the card icon size, so I can even make it smaller. Yeah, I think 26 pixel is correct. Okay, let's not make any changes. So just copy this CSS code and go to your base.css. at the very bottom, paste it and save it. Now if you refresh, you can see the cart icon has been changed. So that's perfect. And here is my Shopify code. You can purchase any code from here. Like this is the slider, TikTok slider. This is the circle menu. This is the breadcrumbs for Shopify Dawn theme, and lots of stuff here for just $10, and you can purchase it there. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.